Greetings and salutations, Edwin here, and I'm ready to discuss home insurance. Now, before we dive in, yes, I am a licensed insurance agent, but I'm not your licensed insurance agent, and I'm a guy on YouTube. So please contact your local insurance agent to help with your specific needs. Also, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Let's dive into how insurance actually works. So I'm gonna paint a hypothetical for you. And oh no, something horrible has happened to your home. And you say, oh no, something horrible has happened to my home. You would then call your insurance company. Let them know what kind of damage you experienced. Whatever it was that happened, tell them about it. The insurance company is gonna send what's called a field adjuster out to your property. They're gonna go out to the property and look over everything. They're gonna look at all the damages. And if there's something that they don't see, it's a great time for you to point out, hey, that's also damaged. Now, word of advice. The field adjuster is not likely to know whether or not you're covered for certain items. So if you have questions about, hey, am I covered for this thing? Or hey, how does this coverage work on the policy? The person who goes out to your home probably doesn't have the answer, and you're best to either contact your agent or contact the insurance company, who is likely gonna recommend that you contact your agent. So the field adjuster is just gonna go out there and take note of all the damage and take photos of all the damage that they find. They're gonna take that information back to the insurance office. They're gonna send it back, and another person called a desk adjuster is gonna look over that information. When the desk adjuster looks over that information, they're gonna plug all the information in, all the damage that's recorded, the cost of the damage being reported, and they're gonna determine what the payout should be for your claim. What is the expected cost of what it should take to either repair or replace the items damaged that you're filing your insurance claim for. When that happens, a lot of times it could be somewhere right in range, or maybe it's a little less than or a lot less than what you were hoping for. And you as the homeowner can ask them to go over it. And as you're going out and getting your own estimates from repair people, you can let the insurance companies know that, hey, you're only paying for this amount. These are the estimates I'm receiving. Where is this not lining up? And the insurance companies can review it with you and either choose to increase their payout or keep their feet firm to the ground and say, hey, we're not paying any more than this dollar amount. In which case, that's where you can go further in your legal action from there. But ideally, this is where an agreement is found. This is where a check is cut, and you can either work with the people that you want to work with, or depending on your policy's language in that 80-page document, the insurance companies may already have a company lined up for you to have your repairs taken care of. Okay, that's all I have for today. But what insurance questions do you have? Please throw them in the comments below. And if there are any topics that you'd love to hear about, I'd love to hear about it. And again, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe, and check out the next video that YouTube has lined up for you, because that would be awesome. Okay, bye.